House fire claimed life of 5-year-old in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 5-year-old girl perished in a house fire at 14 Whitehall Avenue in St. Andrew on Wednesday afternoon. She has been identified as Kimberly Harrison. Early reports indicate that the child was at home with her grandmother when the fire broke out. While the grandmother managed to escape, the child was tragically trapped inside. Fire personnel indicate that the child appears to have died from smoke inhalation.
At approximately 2:53 p.m. today, we received a call of house on fire at number 14 Whitehall Avenue. Alpha 3 unit was dispatched to this location. Upon arrival, the building was fully engulfed in flame. We used one medium jet to conduct cooling down operations. Simultaneously, we were advised that a child may have been in the house, so simultaneously we conduct search for the child, which in result we found her in the bathroom, perished from the inferno. Minor scorch, but she would have passed based on the smoke inhalation.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.